I tell you all the story about the joker and the thief? I said,